And what is our optimal functioning? We don't know. We know that Einstein used, what they think, 8% of his brain? Tesla maybe 9%, 10%? Then what? So, okay, now we got guys in Machu Picchu who are fathering children at the age of 110. No Viagra. You got guys in, men and women in the Hunzas up in the north, in the Himalayas and the Pakistan, running up and down the hills at 120, 130. Okay, so our potential, we have no idea what it truly is. And what's our niche? Well, our niche, if you look at us as a scientist, as an anthropologist would say that all the evidence points to the fact that we came out of North Africa somewhere. If you look at it, basically equatorial zones and sub-equatorial zones. Now, if you look at us as a biblical scholar, what's the biblical scholar going to say? Well, it came out of Eden. Where's Eden? In Iraq. Oh, but Iraq's all sand. What's under that sand? Oil. Why is there oil? Because there was tons of vegetation. What is oil? Compressed vegetation. So at one point, Iraq was a lush place, and it got buried. It got buried under the sand. The same with all of the Middle East was lush vegetation. Okay, so that's what made the oil, that's the carbon, that's where we get, you know, all that stuff. So the point is that whether you look at us biblically or you look at us scientifically, we're sub-equatorial and equatorial creatures. Right? And it makes sense because, you know, our closest cousins, the gorilla, the orangutan, chimp, that's where they come from. They don't come from Alaska, right? They come from there. And what do they eat? They eat vegetables and plants and fruits, and they're designed to eat it.